guys, today we're doing a Dollar Tree cooking video, and today we're doing the coconut rice with curry turkey patties. So you're gonna need that coconut milk. I have a can of beans. I have this rice, from everything's from the Dollar Tree. This turkey burger here is 1/3 pound, and these jumbo biscuit 5-pack, and I found curry powder at the Dollar Tree. I was so surprised. So first, you're just going to need your pot with, I'm using 3 cups of water, the can of beans, I have a little bit of butter, some salt and pepper in there. Now we're going to add the coconut milk and just bring it to a boil. So once that's boiling, I'm adding 3 cups of rice here. And you're just going to mix that well, and once it comes to a boil again, you're just going to cover it and put it on low for about 18 to 20 minutes. So on my next pan, I just have some onions that I cut up, and I'm just sauteing them. I added the turkey burger patty, and I'm just gonna chop that up a little bit. I'm adding some adobo. You can find adobo at the Dollar Tree in the Badia brand. And there's the curry powder. I ended up just having to take the lid off to put the curry powder because it wasn't coming out so good. So you just put as much as you want. And then I also put just a little bit of water in that coconut milk can that was left and put it in here with the meat as well. So I have the biscuits here, and all I did was kind of smush them down until they're a little bit bigger. And then here's the meat all done. And this will make the 5 biscuit patties. So you're just going to put a spoonful of the meat filling right in the middle, and then I'm putting a little bit of water here on the edge just to seal it good, and then you just fold it over, take your fork and press down on all the edges until it's completely sealed, and then take your fork and poke it right on the top, and this is what it'll look like. And then you just put that to bake according to the instructions on the biscuit package, and this is what they'll look like once they're done. Here's the rice. I'm just mixing it in with a fork and fluffing it up. And that's what it looks like when it's done. And here you go, you have this 5 serving, and there's actually more than 5 servings because there was a lot of rice. I used 3 cups, but you can make 5 servings for under $10, and it's absolutely delicious. Definitely give this a try. If you do, go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know anyway, what do you think of this Dollar Tree recipe. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.